Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I hope that you all will be fine. In today's lecture, we will cover the exercise of topic the senses. So students, let's start our exercise. First question is choose the correct answer. Four options are given in each question and you have to choose the correct answer. First is which of these is not a way of moving? Option A sleeping, B hopping, C skipping, and D running. So students, sleeping is not a way of moving. The rest of three are the ways of moving. So the correct answer is option A sleeping. Second is which of these is not one of the five senses? A. Sight, B. Breathing, C. Taste, and D. Hearing. Students, sight, hearing, and taste are the senses, but the breathing is not a sense. So the correct answer is option B. Breathing. Third, which of the senses do you use while eating? A. Hearing, smell, taste. B. Smell, sight, taste. C. Smell, touch, hearing. D. Touch, hearing, taste. So the correct answer is option B. We use sense of smell, sight, and sense of taste while eating. We use all of these three senses at a time while eating. Fourth is, if you ate a lemon, what would you taste it with? A. Eyes, B. Lips, C. Tongue, and D. Teeth. Students, we already learned that the sense organ which involved in taste is tongue. So when we ate a lemon, we taste it with our tongue. The last one is, which of the following you might do if your body was tired? A. Sneeze, B. Cough, C. Jump, D. Yawn. So students, what you do if your body was tired? We do yawn when our body was tired. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 2. What can you see in your classroom? Students, we see a lot of things in our classroom. We see desk, we see chairs, we see books, we see bags, whiteboard, etc. But here, write only 3 things which you can see in your classroom. Class, senses are the blessing of God. They can save us from getting hurt and they can warn us from danger. This question is about which of your senses will warn you about these listed dangers. The first danger is fire. So the sense which warn us from this danger are the sense of smell and sight. Both these senses help us from getting hurt and they can save us from this danger. Next is hot water. So the sense which warn us from this danger is sense of touch. Third is a bus on the road. So the sense of hearing and sight save us from this danger. Last is stinging bees. So the sense of hearing save us from getting hurt from stinging bees. Student, this question is for your homework and in this question you have to write your favorite food to taste, favorite thing to touch, favorite thing to smell, favorite sound to hear, and favorite thing to see. This is for your homework. Student, in this question you have to find out what these people are called. What we call a person who can't see. We called it as blind. The next is what we call a person who can't speak. So we call that person as mute or dumb. The last is a person who can't hear. We call a person who can't hear as deaf. Next question is complete the sentences using the listed words. And the words are hear, taste, smell, see, and feel. I can dash the stars. I can see the stars. I can dash the teacher speaking. Students, we use sense of hearing. So, I can hear the teacher speaking. I can dash hot in sunlight. I can feel hot in sunlight. Sense of feeling is involved here. I can dash ice cream. I can taste ice cream. The last is I can dash the flowers. Students, we can smell the flowers, so I can smell the flowers. This is all about today's lecture. Students, do all questions of this exercise in your books. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.